Hey loves, it's your girl Skylee's J and I'm back with another video. So today's video I'm basically going to show y'all how I put feeding braids in my hair. This is my hair before, and without further ado, let's get into the video. So I already have parted out my hair and braided it down because parting my hair is a freaking struggle. So I went ahead and did that before I even started the video. So you're gonna need 4 packs of this jumbo braiding hair. I decided to go with blonde today, but you can get whatever color you want. So I'm going to take a pack of braiding hair and I'm going to split that evenly in half. So now I'm going to take one of the pieces of braiding hair that I previously split in half, and I'm going to split that piece in half as well. So now I have 3 pieces of braiding hair. Now I'm going to take another piece that I previously split in half and split that piece in half as well. So now I'm just going to do the same thing with the other half of the braiding hair. So now I have all my pieces of hair split up so that it can be easy for me to grab and add each piece of hair in as I braid. So now I'm just going to moisturize this first piece of hair that I'm about to braid. I use the Cantu Daily Oil Moisturizer. I'm just going to distribute that all over the piece of hair and kind of like comb it through. Now I'm going to take the Got2b glue, styling glue, and basically I'm going to put that all around the perimeter of the braid that I'm using, and this is what it's going to basically slick my hair down as I'm braiding it. So now I'm going to start braiding using only my real hair at first before I start adding in the braiding hair. So now I'm going to take my first piece of braiding hair, which is going to be black by the way, and then I'm going to tuck it up under my finger, and I'm going to braid that piece in, and then I'm going to take the other end of the braiding hair and tuck it under there as well. And that's basically how I'm just going to be adding in the hair for the whole braid. I'm just going to take one end of the hair and tuck it up under and braid that in. And then I'm going to take the other end of the hair that's still loose and tuck it up under there as well the next go round. So now I'm just braiding the braid all the way down. Be sure to run your fingers all the way through the end of the braiding hair or it will get tangled. So now I'm just laying down my baby hairs before I braid the second braid. So I'm going to start off this braid just like the last braid. I'm going to start braiding with my real hair, and then I'm going to add in a piece of the black braiding hair, and then I'm going to start adding in the blonde. So again, I'm just going to tuck the first half of the blonde hair up under, and I'm going to braid once, and then I'm going to tuck the second half up under, and then I'm going to braid that piece in as well. Alright you guys, so I'm moving on to the last braid. I'm going to do the same thing I did for all the other ones. So I went ahead and boiled some hot water, and I'm going to dip the ends of my braids in the hot water so that my braids can be nice and neat. Now I'm going to set my braids with some foam lotion. I'm just going to put that over top of my hair to give it some shine and to just make it look nice and crisp. So this is the final look, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, loves.